Welcome to Rohan Nidita by Rohan Builders, biggest residential project in Hinjewadi Pune. Hello guys and welcome back to DHC New Homes channel. This is our host Smita and today we are exploring Rohan Nidita by Rohan Builders. So it is built up in Hinjewadi, Pune on 8 acres of land and has 4 towers and the number of floors are 23. And they provide 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK homes starting from 80 lakhs onwards. Moving further about the project, its details and configurations and everything, but before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel DHC New Homes, then subscribe to our channel DHC New Homes for every new update about the projects in Mumbai, Pune, and like, comment and share our video. So for a 2 BHK, the square feet area starts from 750 and goes till 900 square feet and the prices starts from 80 to 85 lakhs. For a 2.5 BHK, the area starts from 900 square feet and goes till 1000 square feet and the prices starts from 1.05 CR to 1.10 CR. And for a 3 BHK, the area is 1100 square feet to 1200 square feet and the prices starts from 1.10 CR to 1.20 CR onward. For the internal amenities, they provide the branded fittings for the bathroom, the electrical branded fittings, and for the kitchen they provide the stainless sink and the granite platform and the cleaning area also. For the external amenities, they provide the swimming pool, the kids play area, the gymnasium, indoor games, multi-purpose hall, yoga lawn, senior citizen area and many other things. For the location if we talk about, then it is located near the school, colleges, hospitals and educational institutes. So this is a very nicely located project. So if you are interested in this project and want to know more about it, then call us on the given number provided and we can help you with more. Thank you for watching DHC New Homes.